Hi friends, welcome to G Prashant YouTube channel. Good morning everyone, have a nice day. Today we are going to discuss about some important problems on unitary method, which is chapter 10. Now see first question. The cost of 12 balls is 19.20 paise, means 19 rupees 20 paise. The cost of 15 balls is, so this side is balls, this side is rupees, isn't it? So cost of 12 balls is how much? Cost of 12 balls is 19 rupees 20 paise. Now what you are asking, cost of 15 balls? So we don't know. Now take the cross multiplication, isn't it? Now cross multiplication of these means, so 12 into x, that equals to 15 into 19.20 paise. Now send this 12 from left to right. On left side it is multiplication, it goes from right side, it becomes division. Then x is equals to 15 into 19.20 by 12. In 3 table, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Now x is equals to 5 into 19.20 by 19.20 means 20 paise by 4. Now cancel in 2 table, 2 2s are 4, this becomes 2 2s are 4, 0.25s are 10. Now once again cancel in 2 table, 2 1s are 2, this becomes 2 1s are 2, 0.22s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now x becomes 1.25, 1.25 into 19.20. Multiply these two means, forget about decimals. First of all, forget about decimals. That means 1920125, isn't it? See, now I am multiplying with hundreds place digits, so putting two zeros. After that, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 9, 9, 1 ones are 1. Now I am multiplying tens place digits, so put 1 0. After that, 2 into 0, 0, 2 2s are 4, isn't it? Now 2 9s are 2 9s are 18, 8, 1 is carry, 2 ones are 2, plus 1 means 3. Now I am multiplying with ones place digit, no need to put zeros. So write here 0, 5 into 0, 0, 5 2s are 10, once again 0, 1 is carry, 5 9s are 45, 45 plus 1 means 46, write here 6, and 4 is carry, 5 1 ja 5, 5 plus 4 means 9, right here. Now add all this, we get the answer. This is 0, here also 0, isn't it? Now 6 plus 4 means 10, 0, 1 is carry, 1 plus 9 means 10, and 18, 20, once again 0, 2 is carry, isn't it? 5, 5 plus 9 means 14, means 4, 1 is carry, 1 plus 1 means 2. Now count the after a decimal how many digits are there. This is a decimal point, after a decimal, see here, after a decimal 1 2, here also 3 4. So totally after a decimal how many digits are there? 4. So count from right to left, 1 2 3 4, means after a decimal point how many digits are there? Exactly 4. So that means x is equals to 24.4 zeros after a decimal. Now there is no value about 0, so remove that, this becomes x is equals to 24, means the cost of 15 pencils is, sorry, 15 balls, the cost of 15 balls is how much? 24 rupees. That means option number 1 is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. See, a car covers 288 kilometers in 8 hours. The car covers dash kilometers in 5 hours. What is given? Time is given and distance is given. So distance in kilometers and time in hours, isn't it? So how many kilometers? 288 kilometers. And how many hours? 8 hours. So time 5 hours is given, distance is not given. Now take the cross multiplication once again. Now see here, 8 into x equals to 288 into 5, isn't it? So send this 8 this side. On left side it is multiplication, it goes from right side, it becomes division. 288 into 5 by 8, isn't it? So divide with 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 4s are 8, cancel. Now x equals to 144 into 5 by 4. See here, 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, once again 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, here 2 3s are 6, 1 is remains, it becomes 12, 2 6 are 12. Now that becomes 36 into 5. Now multiply these two, we get the result. Now 36 can be written as 30 plus 6 into 5. Now x equals to 3 5s are 15. How many zeros are there? 1 0. Put 1 0. Now 6 5s are 30, means right here. Now add these two, we get the final result. 0 plus 0, 0. Now add the tens place. Tens place is 5 plus 3 means 8. And hundreds place, here is 0, here is 1. So 1. So total is how many kilometers? 180 kilometers in 5 hours. The car covers 180 kilometers in 5 hours. So see, option number 3 is the right answer of the given question, isn't it? Now move to next question. See here, the cost of one grace of pencils is 45 rupees. The cost of 8 dozen pencils is, remember, one grace, we already know one grace means 12 dozens. Remember, that's it. So now take the dozens, and what is given? Cost means amount is given. So cost of one grace means one grace is equals to how many dozens? 12 dozens. Cost of 12 dozens is how much? 45 rupees. Now what is they are asking? Cost of 8 dozen. So we don't know how much cost. Now take the same cross multiplication. That means 12 into x, that equals to 8 into 45. Now send this 12 from left to right. On left side it multiplication, it goes from right side, it becomes division. Now 8 into 45 by 12. See here in 4 table, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, isn't it? Now x equals to 2 into 45 by 3. In 3 table, 3 1s are 3. Here also 3 1s are 3 and 1 remains 15. So 3 5s are 15. That means x equals to 2 into 15. Now x equals to, this 15 can be written as 2 into 10 plus 5. 2 tens are how much? 20, plus 2 into 5 becomes how much? 2 5s are 10. Add these two, we get the 30. Means the cost of 8 dozens is how much? 30, isn't it? That means see whether it is in options or not. Yes, option number 2 is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. See here, this one. The cost of 1 quintal rice is 648 rupees. The cost of 80 kgs of rice is, see, one is rice is given, another is price, that means cost is given. Cost of 1 quintal, 1 quintal is equals to how much? 1 quintal is equals to 100 kgs. So cost of 100 kgs rice is how much? 648 rupees. Now 80 kgs cost they are asking. Now cross multiplication of these two, that means 100 into x equals to 80 into 648. Now send this 100 from left to right. On left side it is multiplication, it goes from right side, it becomes division. That means 80 into 648 by 100. Cancel this 0 and this 0. Now cancel in 2 table. See here, 2 5s are 10, this becomes 2 4s are 8. Now x equals to 4 into 648 divided by 5, isn't it? See, instead of dividing with 5, I am taking multiplying and dividing with 2. Now this becomes, this 4 into 2 becomes 8 into 648 by 5 into 2 becomes 10, isn't it? Multiply these two, that means 648 into 8 8 just 64 means 4, 6 is carry, 4 8 just 32, 32 plus 6 means 38, 8 is here and 3 is carry, 6 8 just 48, 48 plus 3 means 51. So that means x equals to 5184 by 10. So 1 0 is in the denominator, so that's why after a decimal point one digit is compulsory. That becomes 518.4. So this is the cost of 80 kgs of a rice. That means x is equals to 518 rupees 0.40 paisa is the answer of the given question. See which option is right. That means option number 4 is the right answer of the given question. If you like this video, please share and subscribe it. Click on bell icon for regular updates. I did any mistake in this video, please apologize me. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all who are supporting to me.